In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to change the voice of Google Gemini on both iPhone and Android devices. Whether you prefer a different accent, tone, or style, this video will help you personalize your assistant to suit your preferences. So the first step that we'll do in order to change the voice is to open the Google Gemini application on our iPhone or Android device, and then make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Now, the next step is to tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of your screen, and that's going to open a little menu where we will have a couple of options. From here, select the Settings option, which will then open a couple of settings related to Gemini. Let's click on this Gemini's voice right here, and that will essentially open a new interface where we can swipe and select a different voice for Google Gemini. You can hear a preview on how that specific person sounds like, and they have very high quality voices in here, so just swipe from the right side to the left and hear all of the voices which they offer. Once you're happy with a voice and you would like to use it, tap on the Select option at the top right corner of the screen and that's it. You had now successfully changed your Google Gemini voice. Check out my other videos and make sure you subscribe to Tutor for more similar tutorial videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.